Kisau tuli kiseng bhalang jaga jela hak arpulai terik unailar arhajar arpuar kilalit ya kendo yu menteri rang ba agajela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma bandawa badai ban penhap biang ya kilai tili gisnong ki bahab ha kanong bak aking bat kehima nonglang jong gejela Meghalaya. Bakini ki di penhap batch gejela Meghalaya. Ki nong yalam seng bhalang ki bakentup yu presiden ke KSU ulambok Starwell Marngar, u presiden ke FKGGP u Ba'dan di Kongset, u presiden ke ADE u Dalseng Bira Si Momen, u presiden ke FAF u Brenbal M Sangma bat kiwe-kiwe kil IT ke Dorkas hau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ha ke balai don lang usembut menteri rang ba kejela u ba Preston Tensong, u chief secretary kejela u ba DP wa lang bat kiwe-kiwe. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli thu ba ula kran da kabashai kinong ilam seng bhalang ba amla asyu ban penkelai ka kai pot bat eka map jong kasnam arhajar khatwei ya kisnong ki bahab ka jela Asam namare ka kai pot la IT hi de ka sarkar Meghalaya ha kasnam arhajar khatwei ulong ba ula pen i gijing shisha ki bedai ba history ka kai pot jong kasnam arhajar khatwei ya ka bala penya chakmat ke jing kran bat la pen iru kumno kisnong ki thau ki bala kadau dik seng bhalang kidai ke beladan lupa hakamap jong senam arhajar katwei bagi pau ha kejela Asam. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bakalong ke bae bah ban penkelai kamap ne ke kai pot ke beladep ban IT na ke sorkar ha ke senam. Halor ke jengkeli hado katno ke sorkar kelak ban pentikna bagi snong kithau ki bala kedau bagian hab yang Meghalaya. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba omla ban pentikna ne ban kular ai. Nrei kini kejaka ke badan ya kejing sokya nrei kejing ekran kidang ya cekmat. Bat eka soskular ladat bania soy. Bat kat ba kejeng ekran kadang ya cekmat aka wat ke baar on persang ban ekran bat ke sorkar Asam menpet kumno ban peniat dikakam. Bat uloong ba namla ban penkula ya ke soskular. Uba Dandi Cliff Kongset uloong ba ke sorkar jela kamdai ban lek kamsan perthai. Ha kejeng penbet yu put usam. Bat haba ke sorkar ke bamenta kreatif ba kejeng pihak yu put usam ke belalek ke sorkar berem ha kesenam arhajar katwei kalong babakla. Kumta kamdai ban pen scam kene kejing bakla ndrei ke de ban yakun ban pen bej om ban chukenno ne ban khanyat ne ban thet kti ne ban le ek ke bala dep le ne dep draw ya kamap da ke sarkar ke berim uba lambok Starwell Marngar ulong baya menta kim 48 ong ke senjam kaba ken le la da kim ho ne kejing pen bej put ndrei kin pule benya bat kin ya tai bat ya thirsani bha bat ban slok bat ki it ki hima kirang ba asnong bat ki trai snong ki badan hagathan khap put U Pritam Areng nak FKGGP uloong bagiladon kijaka kum ka Malang Salbari, Malang Huhuapara, bat Malang Joypur, bakim shim lasya kentup ha ka soskular, bat kide gi bahab Meghalaya. Bat keladon gejing bakla ha kerukom pia uput usam bat kerukom droy ka map, mana keliang menteri rangba u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapen pau bu unshim kiai kene kebenta. Hendrai on om patla ban penkela ya ka soskular.
And based on that, we have shown them the historical facts also. We've shown them the 2011 report, which was the basis on which the entire discussion happened. And we showed them that how the villages that have been mentioned by them was already in the 2011 map shown in Assam. And therefore, it was very difficult for us to change that map and that report that was submitted by Government of Meghalaya in 2011 and include those villages that they had mentioned. And hence, it was a huge challenge. And we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there. They say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now. But of course, the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward. And in the meantime, we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified, all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns. No, we can't ensure or we can't assure anything. But as I said that, there are these areas, concerns, and as we said, these are discussions that are moving forward. The MOU has been signed, but as we move forward in our discussions, as we move forward in the second phase, we will try and talk and discuss with our counterparts and see how things can be moved on. But there's no question of changing the MOU as such. These are few villages which are right at the border, hardly 10 meters, 15 meters away from the line that is proposed. So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.
Pan kemau ba artli ki meeting ba sarkar ngi kala khot kun kisang balang. Pan persngo ba sarkar kala along kot jumut itu tata ban pan pen put usam namar ba. Kani kam dai shu ke barang dawam tam ta layak san pau tuli kisnam. Jika ibang ajimut itu kopor kolong rub ba kadi ben sim ban bias kata history bakrau. Kadi ben sibru bias ka konsep jong ka history. Pat ka ju kopor. Kadi ben pensong nong rembru. Pat ban sengap ban sengur ni ki et ki hima ka district council hiru shmet ki badon ki kot kislah. Tehendrai hadin bukan ka fast fees kal ajat kum tu. Ngi I kadon ka jing ya bom hun ba bun ba kimi ikan rom kan ram. Ki don ikan hun ki ba lang pen krek man ya senti ka andu kadon ka jibom so hun. Ki don du pat ba pen pau la jong jong pen pau. Handrai habang ya kenduk ba sengi pen sngo ya kani hadin bingila. Ya boros ka tu ban sengap ka jing sisa. Tingi I nak kaliang ka sarkar ba menta ka pen I ya kata ka jinglong juman ba nang nu ka simbat nu ka sedang. Tenring siamba kani ka jing persang ya kaban droyo tawlan kam dai bedang sujiam ta arjar apu ar ki pen pen I ka sarkar menta ong balajian lu arjar khatwe kanu ka badat kanu ka balat ngatrai ka sarkar kin sejawab ngi nama ban jawab on behalf of government handai kai bangi kwa ban perso ka sarkar menta singi kalong ba ngi so tu ba sarkar ong ka long ba ban ong ban ya keren spang ta ka review ta ka MOU handai ngatrai ba ka asam kadang hap India ka Meghalaya hap India ngatrai ka don kalenti kunu ban wan kilat kalenti katangi I ka jing start jong sarkar te ka nongrem ka chungi keren ka long ba kam dai ban yu ban ne ban klet no jing jaw mat jong chuki bari ba shong hai boda manga keren ya kata ka long dai manu balik sumar tu ki jakah tu da khani san phau tu gisnam maki ba sumar khando ko siap itu ki jakah puta la kalong ki hap ke himan lebih hap ki snong ki rat ba kunta ter jika kum ka keren mata ka sarkar ngi I jing start no sarkar rai kanong rem bungi yang kalong ba ngin je peteng ya keban pet binia an ka kam bat ngit ba sarkar kan thau ki rat kalenti bat ka ju ko por ngi la keren ka ba sai ru wat sarkar mata ban ong ba menta ka rak pan kre ya kas kan fees ngi ong ba haswa ban sim ya kono karai ba khadu ne ban ong ban ya san ka MOU kadi ban sim ya consideration ban take on board jiki pat ba no snong tu jaka ken lei ban ya la nang skmat ba kas nang mi bun ki ken rom kan ram hot mi so tho ba kam dei ka basuk kan jing pen put pen sam mi so tho ba asam kan kam me khlia kan kam kadon ka jing ya kam ne tain rai katala ba kidon ka lenti ka badai ba ba ka jing sta ka jong khi ngai ba kanam don ka kan rom kong san ka long itrashnong itrari tremulok bat khando ko siap et ki hima rangkap district council ki hap don district jumut ba sarkar kam dai bijai la jiki khana ma kana mi kan ram la kan surai tang kata ka komiti badong ka tu ka nengot ngathrai o se kadang wat ka skin fees kadang mi biang jing e jelang ba kani ka jing kendu ta singi ka long kom ka wei ka bangi ajumut sarkar ba hasken fees kam dai ban mi kan ram bat ka ju ka por yakini ki jing mi ki jing yam ki jing bom hun jong ki patba ki badi no tusnong ki borda yakani ka fast fees su ngi ong sarkar ba kan ban thau wilat kanti la ka ong kamla su ban review ka euro to handai nga soban ong ba ka Meghalaya kam dei Pakistan ka Assam kam dei ka Bangladesh handai kirang dei India nga thrai ka jingstan ka jungki kunu ban thau wilat kanti ban pindat kita ki jingna ki kum nga kran nang kong ngi klamwan ni ban ya ban pan jingkhen mano bakla mano mokla sarkar ka shong be ka sarkar Tibisi keren hok lelei kemudian sarkar arjar khawai kemudian sarkar mentaru. Ngimla ban jubab on behalf jong kata government memtaba kemudian government balalek. Handai ngas ngoban ong ba ya ka hok jong pajba bala san photolik snam sumar ya khandok siap ngatrai ka shong jing start sarkar kuno ka penbet.
Lada pimbun ni ka jing penbet report ka phase 1 ba kujo ka phase 2 kai ka ba ka isu ba tu ba sing halang kita.
Ya menta ngem pala ban ong ka ik senjam menghap ban le. Handai ngihap ban puli benia bat ngihap ban ya ther ya tai sani ba om tang ngi kum kisang balang ker ni kata lai tharai mdon ru kisang balang bodon cakap khaput haring hap ban slok ki et ki hima kirang ba snong ki try snong ba dang tu ya ik step mi sa sim nang ni skma.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.